Chevrolet Seville. I love the houndstooth. Man, what a cool looking car. Look at that, the Kragers on there. That is old school right there now. Look at all the carbon fiber, man. Wow.
Yeah, I'm getting the hood in a couple weeks.
Are you? Carbon fiber? Wow. Thank you. What year is it?
2020.
Yeah, what's your name?
Rick.
Rick's 2020 Mustang. 2023. ZL1 with what kind of motor? 6.2 liter. That is the Chevrolet Badass. Perfect song right now for this car right here.
Did you see the front license plate?
No, let me go look at what the front.
Get a good shot of it.
Respect the rust. There you go.
I keep a close watch on the heart. I keep my eyes wide open all the time. I keep the ends out for the tide to find. Because you're mine, I won't
Hey man, I'm Alan. Nice to meet you.
I'm Mark. How are you?
Mark, nice to meet you. Now my buddy Pat over there told me there was a cool story with this truck. You mind telling me?
Yeah, it's kind of interesting. It's the first original owner of this works for the for a Ford division of SVT, and he was a designer there. And he decided that he wanted to ask his boss if they could bring in a Ranger because they never did one before.
Right.
So they brought it in. This is what happened. And
really?
So this was his daily driver.
Oh, cool.
And this was an XLT model, which was kind of loaded, but he had the electric windows and electric door locks deleted. So more like a race car type thing. Not that it's fast. It's not. It's a 6-cylinder.
Just give you that race car inspired feel. Yeah.
They've got this new suspension under it. Just about everything's been touched, I think, on it, except for now the souped up motor, which would be nice.
Right.
But yeah, it was kind of a neat story. And the gentleman.
Is it the only one?
Yeah, it's a one-off.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah. They never went into production with anything.
Right. It's a Ranger, SVT Ranger.
He just wanted his own. So they never made one of those. I think they might have at one point had a prototype, but
that's cool.
He just, because he worked there, he got a little better treatment than we could.
That's pretty cool. Thanks for telling me.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you.
This is a Ranger SVT edition. There's only one of them. Right there. It's the only one you'll ever see in a Ranger model. Pretty cool.